Hi guys, welcome to my channel again. So today I have the latest Spider-Man for you, and I'm going to unbox the Spider-Man Far From Home Ultra HD set. Now this has four discs. One is the Ultra HD, second one is the 3D regular Blu Ray, the third one is the regular 2D Blu Ray, and it also comes with an extra disc with bonus contents. So let me show you more details of this. Right, so bonus disc contains World Wide Web Slinger. It's an in-depth look at Spider-Man's web slinging adventure around the world, behind the scenes with cast and crew. The regular 2D Blu-ray also contains other features like gag reel, outtakes, deleted scenes, and alternate scenes, jump off. It contains around 90 minutes of special features, which is nice. Now this is an Austria import, and it's released in India by XL Home Videos. So let me unbox it for you here. Okay, so here is the first disc, which is a 4K disc. Then is the 3D disc, followed by the 2D disc, and the last is the bonus disc. Actually, all these discs are region free ones. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and share this video. Thank you.